Hey guys, it's Ash with All Things Dentistry. You know, I thought I'd change things up a little bit today and post a fun video of our recent family holiday to Dominican Republic. Our kids have been watching me spend hours making dental videos, and you know, they wanted a chance to be stars on YouTube for a change. You know, they love skimboarding, and we actually made our own skimboards last summer. I tried it. Skimboarding's a lot of fun, but I tried it, I fell down, got hurt, and I retired right away.
We are the Mark Brothers, and today we want to teach you guys some basic tips on how to skimboard. So when you're skimboarding, for the start, you gotta run, throw the board down, and then jump on it. And this is what not to do.
Oh, wipe out! So Liam, you're right-handed, correct? Yeah. All right, so you ride goofy all the time, which is your right foot forward.
All right, let's see if he can do it first.
Oh yeah! Oh, I don't know what that is. It's like a 540.
Let's ride some waves!
There you go. Do it!
So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did making it. You know, we all work hard, especially in dentistry, and you know, it's just a friendly reminder to enjoy breaks and get some rest and relaxation now and then. So don't forget to subscribe, place your comments below, and we're going to keep the videos coming. Thanks and have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.